Bianca De Vera, ang sassy unika iha ng Taguig.
Okay, so I'm actually an Aquarius. And ang mga Aquarius, sa pagkakaalam ko, they're very strong-willed and they have a strong personality. Usually, they like their things to go. Usually, gusto nila nasusunod sila kasi malawak yung isipan nila. But, at the same time, they're actually very intuitive as well. So, they're very empathetic, they're very sensitive, and at the same time, very kalog sila. Ang dami nilang say sa mga kung anong bagay. Madami silang mga kaganapan, mga pasabog na minsan hindi mo na lang talaga may expect na, bakit bigla may pasabog yan? So, ganyan ang mga Aquarius because they're very witty as well. Hindi ko lang kung ganun ako, but yeah, they're like that. And ang pansin ko ulit sa mga Aquarius, which I think will shine dito sa PBB is that ang alam ko, ayaw nila yung nasasakal sila since they like to be free like a bird most of the time. So let's see kung malalabas yan this season as an Aquarius.